The following are the 7 favorite exercises of the yogi for developing the lungs, muscles, ligaments, hair cells, etc. They are quite simple but marvelously effective. Do not let the simplicity of these exercises make you lose interest, for they are the result of careful experiments and practice on the part of the yogis, and are the essence of numerous intricate and complicated exercises, the non essential parts being eliminated and the essential features being retained. The first is the retained breath. This is a very important exercise which tends to strengthen and develop the respiratory muscles as well as the lungs, and its frequent practice will also tend to expand the chest. An occasional holding of the breath tends to purify the air which has remained in the lungs from former inhalations and to more fully oxygenate the blood. The breath so retained gathers up all the waste matter, and when the breath is expelled, it carries with it the effete matter of the system and cleanses the lung just as a purgative does the bowels. The following directions will give you clear idea of the exercise. Stand erect, inhale a complete breath, retain the air as long as you can comfortably. Exhale vigorously through the open mouth and practice the cleansing breath. Time yourself with the watch if you want to note your progress. The second is the lung cell stimulation exercise. This exercise is designed to stimulate the air cells in the lungs, but beginners must not overdo it, and in no case should it be indulged in too vigorously. Some may find a slight dizziness resulting from the first few trials, in which case, let them walk around a little and discontinue the exercise for a while. This exercise is very bracing and stimulating for the whole body and is a well known yogi practice. Many of the air cells of the lungs become inactive by the reasons of incomplete breathing and often become almost atrophied. But this exercise will do much towards bringing about the desired results and is worth study and practice. Stand erect with hands at sides. Breathe in very slowly and gradually. While inhaling, gently tap the chest with the fingertips, constantly changing position. When the lungs are filled, retain the breath and pat the chest with the palms of the hands. Practice the cleansing breath. The third is the rib stretching exercise. The ribs are fastened by cartilages which admit of considerable expansion. In proper breathing, the ribs play an important part, and it is well to occasionally give them a little special exercise in order to preserve their elasticity. Stand erect. Place the hands one on each side of the body, as high up under the armpits as convenient. The thumbs reaching towards the back, the palms on the side of the chest, and fingers to the front over the breast. Inhale a complete breath. Retain the air for a short time, then gently squeeze the sides, at the same time slowly exhaling. Practice the cleansing breath. Use moderation in this exercise and do not overdo it. The fourth is the chest expansion exercise. The chest is quite apt to be contracted from bending over one's work. This exercise is very good for the purpose of restoring natural conditions and gaining chest expansion. Stand erect, inhale a complete breath, retain the air. Extend both arms forward and bring the two clenched fists together on a level with the shoulder. Then swing back the fists vigorously until the arms stand out straight sideways from the shoulders. Then bring back to position in the earlier straight position and swing to the side position again. Repeat several times. Exhale vigorously through the open mouth. Practice the cleansing breath. Use moderation and do not overdo this exercise. The fifth is the walking exercise. Walk with head up, chin drawn slightly in, shoulders back, and with a measured tread. Inhale a complete breath, counting mentally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One count to each step, making the inhalation extend over the 8 counts. Exhale slowly through the nostrils, counting as before from 1 to 8. One count to a step. Rest between the breaths, continuing walking and counting 1 to 8. One count to a step. Repeat until you begin to feel tired. Then rest for a while and resume at pleasure. Repeat several times a day. Some yogis vary this exercise by retaining the breath during 1 to 4 count and then exhale in an 8 step count. Practice whichever plan seems most agreeable to you. The sixth is the morning exercise. Stand erect in a military attitude, head up, eyes front, shoulders back, knees stiff, hands at sides. Raise body slowly on toes, inhaling a complete breath, steadily and slowly. Retain the breath for a few seconds, maintaining the same position. Slowly sink to military position back, at the same time slowly exhaling the air through the nostrils. Practice cleansing breath. Repeat several times, varying by using right leg alone, then left leg alone. Stimulating circulation. The exercise is a favorite yogi plan of stimulating the circulation by driving the arterial blood to the extremities and drawing back the venous blood to the heart and lungs that it may take up the oxygen which has been exhaled with the air. Stand erect, inhale a complete breath and retain. Bend forward slightly and grab a stick or a cane steadily and firmly and gradually exerting your entire strength upon the grasp. Relax the grasp. Return to the first position and slowly exhale. Repeat several times. Finish with the cleansing breath. Hi, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm not going to beg or persist or force you to subscribe or like the channel. But if you feel the content is worth it, then reward it as such. Thank you so much.